Good afternoon, everyone. It's good to see you. Couple things have changed if you can't tell. Cleaned up a little bit of my desk, did a little bit of cleaning up, making sure things are a little bit more organized. I've got to say, absolutely hate it because I find that having like a cleaner desk, I don't know where everything is, even though I put them in places where they should go. So, on the topic of kind of cleaning things up, lately I've been kind of tying loose ends up with different business things such as getting bank accounts set up and linked properly. So a lot of you might not know with my Airbnb, at the moment it's still under my name and it's not under an LLC. I do have an LLC created for it, and then that's going to be under a parent company called Luxury Desert Rentals, and you'll see a whole bunch of stuff for that in the next few months. But trying to tie up loose ends, make sure that I've got the bank account set up so that the money is associated with that state tax ID. So something really important so that it's no longer tied to my social security number. And just life is a lot easier that way. Making sure all the proper documentation. A lot of people don't realize when you create an LLC, you get a ton of stuff. You get an operating agreement, you get, what is it? I can't even remember half the stuff. There's a lot of stuff you get, and so you got to make sure your bank has that, making sure that I've got everything I need for real estate. So going through what stuff have I not tied together. You get a lot of things when you become a realtor, and nobody really gives you like not a walkthrough, but there isn't too much. Realtor school teaches you how to not screw over the customer. That's all realtor school is for. Realtors are held to a standard to make sure they protect the customer at all costs. That's what realtor school is. When you get put into the real world and you're a realtor, then you got your broker who's supposed to teach you all this. Now, my broker is fantastic and will answer any questions I have. At the moment, I'd like to make sure I go through and get everything set up on my own, because there's, we got a packet and everything that has it. So I don't need to bother her or her team for silly things that I can find out and do on my own. But there's still a lot of stuff. Cool update. So tomorrow, me and my dad are going to go take a look at a few homes. I haven't picked out which ones yet, but we're right now just kind of going to see what is out there. What does the market look like? What, homes for sale, what are they? And I know that's a really weird question, but in a sense, what are we looking at? Is there potential? Is there actually money to be made on that? Are there things we can do? So going to check out a couple different price ranges, couple different styles, some that are redone, some that haven't been touched at all. And then my hope is to be able to figure out how to do a CMA, which is a comparative market analysis, to view, okay, the ones that are really nice, are they in line with everything else? Or are they too nice? Are they not nice enough? All these different things. And then the homes that need stuff, is there enough wiggle room? So can they get to that point? So it's going to be an interesting day. We're only going to see a few homes, so it's not going to be something too crazy. But I'm excited. It's always good to spend time with my dad. So that's the biggest updates I have for today. I really hope you guys watched my video yesterday. I think it was probably one of the best videos I made, and I realized it didn't get a lot of traction. So I'm going to figure out some way to get a little bit more traction. I think it was a very big breakthrough, at least for myself. I don't know about you guys, but I'm feeling like I'm losing traction on you guys right now anyway. So it's okay, because one day y'all are going to be watching these videos and you're going to go, damn it, I should have listened to him, or I should have watched it. But it's all good. I love you all. All right, well, that is it for the update. That is all I have today. Nothing too exciting, but I promise everything's gonna get cooler and cooler. All right, I'll see you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it so much. Make sure you like, subscribe, follow me so that you can see all the updates in every video that comes out. appreciate it, and I'll see you guys on the next video.